Hi, I'm Sara from Stampin' Up, and today I'm here to help you create your Love This Memory notebook kit. This bright and retro kit is totally customizable and a great tool for capturing the memorable moments in our lives. I'm going to leave these finished projects on the table for additional ideas. Here are all the elements that come in your kit. And don't forget, you can refer to your printed step-by-step instructions for ideas on how to put your notebook together. By separating and sorting your kit elements, you'll have a better idea of the parts and pieces you have to work with. If you have any questions about the products I use in this video, feel free to watch our What's What in Your Kit video linked in the description below. If you choose to make a memory notebook, it's also helpful to have some printed pictures ready to go. Now this kit is different than our other kits because there are so many ways to use it. I'm going to show you one way, but you can use it however you choose. It is definitely a fun and versatile kit. For this kit, we'll be stamping in the notebook itself and on these die-cut sticker sheets. Stamping can be intimidating at first, but don't worry, we've got this. We'll need our block, stamp set, and ink spot. Place your desired stamp on your block, open your ink spot, and we're good to go. For a clear image, you'll want to ink your stamp well. All it takes is a few good taps across the entire image. If you want to practice first, go ahead and stamp a time or two on your chipboard. When you're ready to stamp, ink your image, line it up, and press down firmly and evenly. What's great about these photopolymer stamps is you can see where you're stamping. And there you go. You'll need to stamp multiple images, so just grab a wet cloth, paper towel, or baby wipe to clean your stamp and put it back on your stamp sheet. For more tips on stamping, check out our How to Stamp video linked in the description below. In this kit, you'll find a little pocket that already has adhesive on the back for any memorabilia you want to keep inside. And then we have a couple of different options for how to layer our pages. We've got some 4x6 cards, some 3x4 cards, and some 2x2 accents that are really helpful in laying out your designs. We also have a collection of sticker sheets. We've got some alphabet pieces so that we can create some titles in our notebook. And then we've got all of these different fun accents and tabs that are ready to go when we add them to our layouts. Look at this fun, shiny sticker sheet as well. And then of course the ones that we've stamped that we can customize and use however we choose in our notebook. I chose to do this project with my daughter Shelby, and we decided to put together a book of a recent trip that we took for Mother's Day. This is a tradition for us, and so we added our title on the front, and we also brought in a Stampin' Write marker so that we could add black accents all the way through. We loved that element. So we've got the 4x6 card on the front, you've got the sticker title, and then some drawing on the outside for some accents. Now, as we open the book, you can see my daughter's handwriting. I think that's the best part about this notebook is that you get to make it your own. We were loving these holographic elements, both in the sticker sheet and the washi tape that you'll see later on. We chose to use these 2x2 and 3x4 cards as accents behind our photos, and you can do the same. When putting a spread together, we just kind of placed things where we thought they would go, added our photos, made sure we liked the layout, and then we used our tear and tape to put it all together. This is one of my favorite spreads because it's just two colors. There's some simplicity in that. We also used those die cut sticker sheets that we stamped on to add some accents, and then some stamping on the actual notebook itself, which was an added element I just love. I'll point out as well that there's some open space for some journaling, which we haven't done yet. I'm excited to chronicle this trip, but we also used the Stampin' Write marker so that we could add these black accents and drawings to the cards that are already designed. So just some little accented illustrations here on the hearts. This was a really fun layout because we see more of the holographic washi tape on this one to adhere our photos. And then we've also used the Stampin' Write marker, which is not in your kit, but you can use any marker that you have to add these little black accents on the cards. So of course this isn't the end of the notebook, this is just right in the center, but this was the end of our trip, and we'll be able to journal everything and then add even more fun summer memories on the pages remaining. There are so many different ways you can use this kit, and we're excited to see what you come up with. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Enjoy!